Yes, class 9th students, it is my 7th video lecture in subject biology. Today the topic is nucleus. The information of nucleus I passed in my several video, and all of you have knowledge about its discovery. As you know that nucleus is observed by Robert Brown in 1831. Come on, what the shape of this nucleus? It is dense, spherical, oval structure, and it is centrally placed in animal cell, whereas in site position in a plant cell. There are some main points related with the nucleus of the cell. In some cells, this structure is absent. As for example, in mammalian RBC which is one component of blood, and it is also absent in sieve tube of plant. Sieve tube is one cell of phloem. Phloem, yes, you know about phloem. The phloem is one conducting tissue in plant. The second main important point related with nucleus is that in some cell it is single, but in some cell it is more than one. That may be near about 1000 that is observed by the biologist. Now I will read about its structure. Structurally, the nucleus has different parts. These parts are its nuclear membrane, nucleoplasm, nucleolus, and chromatin fiber. Here is the figure I drawn. The first part, which is the nuclear membrane, it is the membrane-like structure which surrounds the nucleus. Second part is the jelly-like substance which is dissolved in, which is spread throughout the nucleus, that is nucleoplasm. Third structure is the nucleolus. Is it read by you that where is the position of nucleus in a cell? In same manner, the position of nucleolus in a nucleus. And besides these three, some of the other parts which are fibrous, hair-like structure, these structures are the chromatin fiber. This way, these are the main four components of nucleus. First is its membrane, nuclear membrane. Second is nucleoplasm. Third is nucleolus. And fourth is chromatin fiber. Besides this, some of the molecules are dissolved in this nucleoplasm